Conserving and protecting medicinal plants. Medicinal plants documentation and conservation, a call to action. Conexus Research, Innovation, and Education Foundation is unwavering in its commitment to the conservation and documentation of medicinal plants, which are vital resources for human health, cultural heritage, and environmental stability. Our organization recognizes the urgent need to safeguard these invaluable resources by acquiring protected lands dedicated to the cultivation and preservation of medicinal plants, ensuring their survival for the benefit of current and future generations. What are medicinal plants? Medicinal plants are species whose parts, leaves, roots, bark, flowers, or seeds, possess bioactive compounds with healing properties. These plants have been used for centuries to treat illnesses, promote health, and support well-being. Iconic examples include aloe vera for skin conditions, ginger for digestive health, and quinine from cinchona bark, which combats malaria. Why conserve medicinal plants? The conservation of medicinal plants is imperative due to the following reasons. Biodiversity loss. Many medicinal plants face extinction from deforestation, habitat destruction, and overharvesting. Sustainable medicine. Preserving these plants ensures future generations have access to natural remedies and the potential for new drug discoveries. Cultural heritage. Medicinal plants are integral to indigenous knowledge systems, traditions, and community identity. Conserving them protects this intangible cultural heritage. At Conexus Research, Innovation, and Education Foundation, we are deeply invested in protecting medicinal plants from these threats by purchasing protected lands. These reserves will serve as sanctuaries for endangered species, ensuring their sustainable cultivation and use. Benefits of medicinal plants. Healthcare. Medicinal plants form the foundation of traditional medicine and modern pharmaceuticals. They are accessible and affordable healthcare options for many communities. Economic value. Cultivating and trading medicinal plants can provide income for local communities, especially in rural areas. Scientific discovery. Research into medicinal plants leads to the development of new treatments and a deeper understanding of human health. Environmental benefits of medicinal plants. Beyond their medicinal value, these plants play critical roles in ecosystems. Carbon sequestration. Medicinal plants contribute to carbon absorption, mitigating climate change. Ecosystem stability. They provide habitats and food sources for countless species, supporting biodiversity. Water regulation. Forested areas with medicinal plants act as natural catchment zones, promoting groundwater replenishment and reducing soil erosion. Cultural preservation. Medicinal plants are deeply entwined with the cultural practices and spiritual beliefs of many communities. Documenting their uses preserves traditional knowledge systems that might otherwise be lost in the face of modernization. This documentation also facilitates cross-generational knowledge sharing and appreciation of cultural diversity. The future of medicinal plants. The future of medicinal plants hinges on sustainable conservation strategies. Research and education, continued documentation and scientific studies ensure that their benefits are understood and utilized responsibly. Community engagement, empowering local communities to steward these resources fosters sustainable use and preservation. Protected areas, establishing reserves dedicated to medicinal plant cultivation on purchased lands can safeguard species at risk. At Conexus Research, Innovation, and Education Foundation, our vision is to lead the way in conserving medicinal plants through innovative research, community partnerships, and the acquisition of protected reserves. By creating dedicated spaces for medicinal plant conservation, we not only preserve health and biodiversity but also protect the cultural and ecological heritage that defines us. Join us in this vital mission to ensure a healthier and more sustainable world for generations to come.